Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here, actually one of Mini Cooper. This is an extra lot they have, so they have a number of different models out here, but the 2025s are different than our previous models that we filmed. The previous Mini Coopers had a single center screw. These 25s have two fasteners underneath, which is nice. It makes for a little nicer fitment. You can see on this one's drilled. All the models out here they're all drilled, so even though ours is gonna go below center, it is drilled, so that's where the factory would go. So we're going to show you where ours goes. So go ahead and turn it over to Mike and we'll get started on the fitment.
Okay, thanks Steve. Like Steve said, this does have factory mounts. It is different than the previous models. It's going to use these two. They're 4.8 by, I don't know, 16 maybe in length. You're going to take those out and we're going to be reusing them. You're going to spin those out, set them off the side, but again, like I said, they're going to go right back in. There you go, and this is quite the wide base. It's one of our wider ones, not the widest, but one of the wider ones. Real important, finger tight start each side before you start tightening. These do, like, the panel goes up a little bit, so when you start them, so it does seem like they're not quite long enough, but it's because the panel kind of flex up as you go. So as you'll notice as you tighten, you'll be able to get some turns on that before it'll snug up. So that's an important thing. And then once they're snug, you go back, and they are going into a metal J clip, so you can snug them pretty good, as you can see here. So that should be nice and tight. And it's a matter of just taking your front plate, starting it in, get it past the pull pin, and push it till it clicks into place. And there you go.
Remember periodically to lubricate your pull pin just to keep it working properly. And if you do go through a car wash that has either roller or brushes on it, you're going to want to make sure that you remove the front. You can see where ours goes versus where the factory's is. Ours has our patented X pattern design on it. You can see that, and that's where your license plate will go, and you are done. That's an easy install.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.